Hello everyone, let's explore the facts together. Did you know, when teeth wear down, the key of occlusion is lost? Notice how the transparent portion has worn down, causing the teeth to meet at different positions. Over time, tooth wear can lead to changes in bite alignment and may contribute to various dental issues. When the key of occlusion is lost, the lower jaw tends to slide backward. As the jaw slides back, it compresses the pharyngeal airway space, leading to snoring. Are you snoring? It's time for a thorough evaluation by our dedicated team, which includes experts in ENT, dental health, and nutrition. Let's work together to find the best solution for you. We've successfully resolved numerous cases. For further assistance, please contact Dr. Narayana at 9299944499.